wants to learn how to make this 3-ingredient, so easy, so versatile, baked apple. I'm going to show you in my video, so stay tuned. Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying on your health journey. I know it's not easy. I know you have to work hard, but I always say that working hard always pays off, okay? And, you know, listen, I've had my struggles. I always say consistency over perfection. And that's why I do these videos, because I love to try to pay it forward with the things that have helped me to lose over 120 pounds. And I've kept most of it off. Actually, I've kept it off now because I'm on another journey. It never ends, my friend, never. You're always going to be on a journey. And being mindful and making choices and, listen, life happens, right? So, you just have to get right back on the horse because, again, we want to be healthy for so many reasons. I know all of us have our whys, and that it's not about motivation. It's about our whys, because we're not always motivated to do things, right? So today I had to give my spiel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the easiest 3-ingredient baked apple recipe, okay? And again, it's versatile. It's really super easy. And of course, my favorite word is, you guys know, delicious, right? So before I get started, I just wanted to remind you to subscribe, share, like, comment, tell people about my channel, because, sharing is caring. And again, my big mission is to help other people. I don't get paid for this. I just love, and I'm so passionate about wellness. All right. It's not all about the weight. There's so many non-scale victories that are so important. And so I'm going to show you. But first, I'm going to show you my kitten. Whiskey's in the kitchen with me. Whiskey. Whiskey's here. He wants to say hello. Okay. So, all right. So I had my husband bought these yellow apples. I never buy these apples, but they got soft really quickly. And I thought, don't throw them out. And I just took like this apple core thing because I didn't know I was going to do a video. So basically you just put it in and boop, you get the whole middle out. Simple. And then all the seeds are gone. I love this little gadget. Probably get it at Walmart or wherever, hardware store, maybe even a grocery store. And then I'm just going to I love cinnamon. So I'm just going to sprinkle on some cinnamon for some flavor. And I used to use pop in the olden days, but I don't drink pop. I have this sparkling water and I have a lime flavored. There's no sugar in it. Or you can just simply use water. And I just like to pour that in. And then we're just going to microwave it. So I'm going to put it in for about, again. Oh my goodness, we're going to put it in the microwave. Of course, you can bake them, but it'll probably take way longer. So I'm going to start with 5 minutes, and then we'll come back and check it out. If it takes longer, of course, I'll let you know. And Whiskey is waiting. Hi, Whiskey. Say hi. Whiskey's here. He's just hanging. He likes to hang out with me. And he probably smells how delicious this is. If you were in my kitchen, I wish you could just smell it, but hopefully you'll make it. I just took it out of the bowl and put it in a nicer bowl because I was taking pictures. Had to be honest with you guys. And depending on how big the apple is, you don't have to put it in for 5 minutes, and also how strong your microwave is. So it may only take 3 minutes. It could take 4 minutes. So just check and make sure that it's nice and soft. Okay. It's nice and soft here. I love the extra juice to put inside the middle. And You can have it with cottage cheese, yogurt, different yogurts. It would be a great breakfast option. It's a great snack option. Okay, so really easy peasy recipe. Again, it's versatile. You could even probably put some pumpkin spice. You could add some peanut butter on the side. Why not? Get creative and tell me what you think. And hold on, I'm going to come back. It's me again. So easy peasy recipe, of course. And that's what I like. I like things that are quick, easy, versatile, because then you'll stay on track. And you know, who doesn't have an apple in their house? Unless you don't like apples, but any kind of apple you can use. Okay, so core it, add a liquid, add some cinnamon. If you don't like cinnamon, you could put some pumpkin spice or just leave it like that. Okay, it's super, super delicious. I can't wait to have this now as my snack. And again, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Bye for now, guys. Take care.